Fresh, vibrant, and easy, this watermelon basil sorbet is pure summer and a family favorite. It comes together in under 10 minutes with fresh watermelon, basil, sorbet syrup, and a touch of lemon to balance the sweetness. You'll need one of my sorbet syrup recipes in advance. Check out my channel for both versions, one with heat and one that's no heat, perfect for when you're short on time. The syrup is key to achieving that creamy and smooth texture. Watch through to the end for the full process and expert tips. Let's get started. One bite and you'll understand why it's a summer staple. Serve it fresh in a cone or cup. It's perfect either way. Not a fan of basil? Feel free to skip it. This is still the ultimate watermelon sorbet. Just be sure to enjoy it fresh and at the ideal serving temperature for full flavor and perfect texture. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!